What's up, guys? So today we'll be focusing on cable management and setting up all the computers and stuff. So first we're going to use these signum racks and set them up. Alright, let's get this opened up. I have two, by the way. Alright, so these are the things I got in the two signum rack thingies. Alright, so let's set it up now. Alright guys, so I flipped the table over, so it's probably easier to put those things down. Let's start with this one. Alright guys, so let me teach you guys how to build it. First of all, you're gonna need your signum rack and the bag of stuff. So first, we're gonna put them together. So first, you gotta unscrew this thing, and then I go with this one. So I just screw it on. Alright, so after that, we gotta get this one. Alright, so after you've done that, you're gonna just find a spot you think is good. So I'd probably go with Alright guys, so we have to find like a good position for this. So I'm gonna put it about right here. And then I'm gonna use my pencil and mark each hole so I know where to drill. So now I've done that, I'm gonna take this thing off. Alright, so we're gonna put this aside. We're gonna use these, and then we're gonna start drilling each hole. Alright guys, let's put this table up. Alright guys, we got the table up. Alright guys, so let's plug these things in there. Alright guys, I've got those two things in. Now let's set up the MacBook and the monitor. Alright, so I'm probably gonna put it like about right here. Alright, so let's first put the power cable for the MacBook. Alright, let's put the monitor now. And so this is going to be the power cable for the monitor. Alright guys, we got the monitor set up. Now let's connect the USB hub. Alright guys, I will be back later to finish the rest of the setup. Alright guys, now since I've put my computer up, it's time to put the other stuff. Maybe I should start putting my hard drives in there. Okay. So this is one of the drives I have. Let's see how I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna probably put this drive underneath the table. I'm gonna see if I can do that. Oh, wait. Yeah, you can. Interesting. Alright guys, the cable management is not too bad. Like, take a look. They're all on this tray. So yeah, I have the 2 hard drives right here. Those 2 are the hard drives. Now I'm going to set up my speakers. I'll be unboxing the speakers in a separate video. But yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, before I set up my speakers, I'm going to have to first set up my computer. So first of all, I'm going to use my HDMI cable and connect my laptop to my monitor. Alright, so here's the cable, and I'm going to attach them now. Alright guys, that should be connected, so let's, oh yeah, guys, let's get the mouse mat put. So, here's the mouse mat. Probably need to get a new one, like, really soon, but I'm gonna use this for now. It's supposed to be a black and white setup, by the way. Oh guys, it's turning on. Alright. Cool. My monitor is all set up. Now I have to do some other things. Like, I'll have to connect this SSD to my monitor. So. Alright, now we've got to set up my, I guess, microphone, kind of. Alright guys, so we've got this newer microphone stand. It's only $12. That's why I got this. So basically, this thing is gonna be connecting to my microphone. This part. So I have a Blue Yeti, and that's what I'm gonna be using this for. Cool. Alright, let's set this up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be putting that thing right there. I'm gonna hope it fits. So, alright guys, I have to open this clamp up pretty big for it to fit. So I'll put it right. Alright, so I'm gonna twist this thing on there. Okay. Alright. Alright, now since I've got that there, I'm gonna attach the arm. Alright guys, we've got that arm set up. Now it's time to set up maybe the headphone hanger. I'm probably gonna hang them right about here. So let's get it. So I'm guessing I can't take it off once I mount this. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be putting this in there first. It's my new charging station. Well, it's not really new. Alright guys, we've got that charging station mounted. Now it's time to mount the headphone hangers. Oof. No coming back. Alright. I'm gonna put my headphones there. Alright, now they're hanged up. What should I do now? Alright guys, I'll be putting this iKea plant right here. That looks pretty cool. So this is where I'm gonna be filming all my unboxing videos and stuff. So that's where I'm gonna be filming everything. Alright guys, now I need to put my light there. Oh guys, this looks so good. Whoa, that's cool guys. Oh Jesus. Okay, let's put like a plant right here. Guys, this actually looks so cool. Like, I have my light positioned right there. So this is gonna be a cool unboxing area. Alright guys, basically I set those two speakers up and a subwoofer and it sounds so good. So now I'm pretty sure I'm mostly done with everything on the desk. So you know what I have to do right now? I think I need to clean my room. Look at this mess. Oh my god. Guys, look at my desk. Looks so good. Wow, I finally organized my desk in my room. And like the cable management, like look down there. No cables hanging. They're all in the cable organizer thing. Wow, looks so good. My room is actually like way cleaner now, so yeah. Let's see everything on my desk. So we've got the a chair, microphone thing, my MacBook Pro, monitor, LG webcam, my Apple keyboard, Logitech MS Master 2S mouse pad, some of these little drawer thing for storing stuff, USB hub right here, my two speakers. Over here we've got a balance bird, light, iPad, and down there we've got two headphones, USB charging thingy, and like down here we've got the Alex drawer. There's a lot of stuff in there. Subwoofer, my chair with a floor protector, and that is where I store all my instructions and drawings that I actually kind of forgot, but yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this desk setup video. It took like legit 2 days to film and set up, but it looks so good right now. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, you know, leave a like. Anyways, peace out.